All right, everyone, it just got done downpouring. The field is flooded. We got the platinum Gatorline on the 560. So we just upped the stakes big time on the performance test of this line. And luckily, my boots are Gore-Tex. These are Carolinas that I'm wearing. I like them a lot. Let's get to it. All right, we gotta hurry because we got more rain moving in. This grass is soaking wet. Ultimate test for this platinum Gatorline under full throttle, heavy load, 2 to 3 foot tall stuff here, super thick, almost like pasture grass. So let's get to it, get this thing fired up. So, super wet, super thick, full throttle. You can hear it bogging down a little bit. We definitely got power going to that cut head. Let's get back to the garage, double check the status on that line, and see if we got any signs of welding whatsoever. All right, guys, that is the most strain and stress I've put on this machine since I bought it. Soaking wet, super tall. Well, it's not super tall. It's not so much tall as it is matted and thick, like hair, almost super thick hair. So just as a first inspection, I'm looking at the Platinum Gatorline. I can see where the coating was starting to wear off a little bit by the eyelet, just from the sheer torque that this thing has. The metal on the eyelet was actually making an indent going through that coating on this line. Now, this is not nearly as bad as any other line that I've had on this. Let's go on ahead and break this thing open and see the condition of the line. And I got my fingers crossed that we have no signs of welding, because if it was going to, you'd absolutely see it after that. Alright, well, it's just we're gonna see the condition. Okay, so, well, still getting welding. Man, I'm lost on what to do. You can actually see it where it was sticking to the spool from it melting. Now, with that being said, I don't believe that this coating can withstand up to 500 degrees, because, man, if this was if this was close to 500 degrees in this spool, logically, wouldn't you think the plastic would start to melt as well? I mean, like the plastic of the spool. And honestly, it didn't do too much better than some of the other lines that I've tried. Yeah, so you can see it. I'm peeling that up from where the line started to melt and stick to the spool. You can see it in a couple places there. Wow. All right, well, that question has been answered. The line that is weld proof just got welded together. Well, didn't weld together, but it started to weld. So it looks like I'm going to be sharing this video with Oregon about their Platinum Gatorline and ask them some questions about that whole 500 degree coating and how it ain't working out too good. Okay, so I just noticed something very interesting. The blue coating on the line, look at this. Look at this in the spool right here. What's that all about? It's like it powdered it. Look at that. That's bizarre. I'm not sure what that is all about. It's on the other side too. Check it out. There it is, all up and over here. Haven't seen that before, but I never used any coated lines either. So, I don't know if any of you guys have any types of tips or answers or what I could do. I will put those in place, and we will do another test to test all your guys' ideas out on how to prevent the line from melting and welding and all that other stuff. So please leave comments or make a video response of some different steps, tips and tricks that you guys may have, and I will implement them, and we will go back out to the field and do another test and see how well your ideas, tips, and tricks work, if not completely resolve the problem. So as always, guys, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and until next time, we'll see you all in the next one.